everyone, and welcome to the Edu Collab channel. On this channel, we'll be teaching topics from geography, maths, history, and science. The topic that we are taking up today is fractions. So, what are fractions? Fractions are parts of a whole, meaning that they are less than 1. There are some exceptions, but we can come to those later. The numerator is the number on the top of the fraction, and the denominator is the bottom number. The denominator is the amount of pieces that you cut a whole into, and the numerator is the amount of pieces that you would take from that whole. Now let's look at a simple example. Let's look at this pi as our whole number. If we cut it into 2, then our denominator will become 2. If we take one piece of that pi, our numerator will become 1. So our fraction would now be 1 over 2, or 1/2. Now let's cut the pi into 4 parts and take 1. Our denominator will now change as we're cutting the pie into more pieces. So the denominator will become 4, but the numerator would still stay 1, as we're still taking one piece of the pie that we've cut into 4 pieces. This would make our fraction 1 over 4, or 1/4. So what would the fraction be if I cut a pie into 4 pieces and I took all 4 of the pieces? Well, you could write it simply as 4 over 4. But since 4 over 4 is basically the whole pie, you could also write it as 1, as it is one whole. That is the basics of fractions, and we hope to see you soon when we explain simplification and improper fractions. Thank you for watching.